Simbhasana, the lion pose. Sit in Vajrasana. Toe must be touching each other. Spread your knees as far apart as possible. Slightly lean forward. Place the palm on the floor right between the knees. Fingers facing back towards the body. Keep the arm straight. Slightly arch the back and inhale deeply. Try to look between in your eyebrows. Exhale through your mouth. Bring out the tongue and produce a powerful roar like a lion. Hold the pose for 20 to 30 seconds. Inhale normally and relax the body in final position. Benefits of Simbhasana. The best exercise for face, eyes, tongue and throat. Clear the vocal cords. Simbhasana properly opens the respiratory tract. It prevents soreness of the throat. Useful for tonsils, thyroid and other problems related to throat. Beneficial in ear problems. It cures bad breath. The lion pose is helpful for improving the tone of the voice. Gives relief in back pain. Contraindications of Simbhasana. If you have pain in your knees, then you can sit in normal state and practice it. If you have a severe disease related to the throat, then you should not practice it. Pregnant women should not practice this asana. If you have back pain, you should not practice this posture. You should not do this asana if you have problems of cervical, migraine and headache.